what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now, because this is a special video. It's my first unboxing video. I unbox a drone. So let's get into it. See the box? The box. This box is the drone. It just came. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna be unboxing it. Yeah. Right now. The whole thing. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's right there. The drone. The drone is here. Okay. I'm gonna open it. Oh no, I have this plastic things. That's better. Now it's open. Look at it, guys. It's fresh from the box. Now we get ready to set it up. The things for the, I don't know what this is for that. The control. It's control. What is this? I'll see you when this is ready. Hey, what's up, guys? I set it up. It's right there. Set up. Yeah. And turn it on. It's terrifying. I played it off camera. Terrifying. But if you want to see me use this in a video, I want 10 likes. Not this. Drop a like. Drop 10 likes, and I'll put this in a video. Okay? And comment down below if you really want to see this in a video. I do. Okay. So yeah, guys. Peace out.